Yes, guys, so we're getting some live shrimp, and then we're gonna head off to the fishing spot. So we'll see you when we see you in a bit. Yes, people, so we just reached the fishing spot, So we just go on easy, hold our vibes, and enjoy the weather. You see me, I say? Yeah, so just go and watch the video and see what I go on. You get bite?
Yeah, the shrimp gone.
Oh. Yes, guys, so today we are use some live shrimp. Yeah, man, see there? Live shrimp are going as the bait. You ready for your bait?
Yeah.
Catch one, guys. First catch of the day. Yeah, man. But I don't want no catfish. I'm gonna throw it back, guys. Throw it back in the water.
Saying crispy.
Yeah.
Oh, it's it?
No, it was like joined together. Yes, guys, so that was a catfish earlier. I'm not trying to go home with any catfish today. I'm trying to go home with a snapper, grunt or something better. I'm not a big fan of catfish. All right, so we're gonna try our luck again and see what's next. So I'm just go throw the line for you, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah, throw it out for you and then they can hold it.
Thank you.
Yeah, this is gonna be a first big snapper, Have one.
All right, guys. Ooh.
This is a snapper, guys, but this one is a little bit undersized. My God. If it was a little bit bigger, guys, I could take it home, but you'll definitely get arrested or fined if you bring one of these baby home.
And what length?
I think it has to be I think it's 9 or 13 inches, but I have to look on the actual app. And then
Okay.
yeah, it's been a while, so I don't remember. But I know this one is, just by looking at it, it's way too small.
Yeah, it's on there.
Whew. So, as you can see, guys, this spot is much better than the first one.
Yep.
This is my type of fish, you know? Snapper.
Yeah.
Grunt.
Plus the tide was too high at the other spot.
Yeah, way too high. Way too rough. So, let's try
Right, to say I have enough mangrove trees and
Yeah.
everything.
This is a nice little spot, guys. Hopefully, I could pull in a bigger size, you know, and then I'll be happy. Yes, guys, so we had to switch our first, from the first spot to this new spot because the first spot wasn't, no action, guys. Nothing was happening. We caught one catfish and that was it, you know. And the sun was like super hot, so we had to leave. So now this is a new spot, guys. I'm about to check it out and let y'all know what's popping. All right, guys, this one is a baby. I gotta throw it back, guys. At least we're getting some action, but I want to pull in some bigger ones now, you know. Yeah, man. I want to drop off, guys. Fell right off the hook. But we're getting a lot of pick right now, a lot of bite. It's good. Bite off the whole I bait, no? Whole I bait, bite off, guys. Yeah, man. Whew. So far, guys, it's not a bad fishing day, but I still need to catch something that I can take home, you know? I'm getting a lot of picks, a lot of bite.
No catch, no dinner. Here?
This is gonna be it.
Alright.
Let's watch.
Sure.
That was a big one. Yo. Guys, I bet you I'm gonna pull in a big one right now. Let's watch.
So I took the bait?
Yeah, they took the bait.
Oh.
Let's watch the show right now, people. What do I do? Watch out, D'Angelo. Alright, this is a pinfish, guys. This is a pinfish. Yeah, this one is going back too.
Because you don't keep pinfish, right?
No. It's edible, but most people don't eat it, I think. They use it for bait. But may I get some action, you know? Things are going. A mangrove snapper here. What's that? Pretty. But this one is too small, guys. Way too small again. Ah.
Sun gone in a little bit, man.
Nice one, guys.
Nice.
Nice one. This one is over 10 inches, so we are good to go, guys. But I'm gonna measure it just so y'all can see it, because we have people in the comment section that be, you know, making reports and stuff like that. So I want to make sure y'all see that it's reached the limit. 1 second, guys. Let's see. That's centimeters.
Bring it to the mouth. Bring it to the mouth. Yeah, yeah.
Oh god.
The zero have to start at the
At the
mouth.
mouth.
Yeah.
So I'm off by 1 inch, guys.
Yeah, an inch
1
and
inch.
like 2 centimeters.
Damn.
Or so.
Unfortunately, guys, this one is off by 1 inch, about 1.5 inches. So it didn't make it to the frying pan today. Oh, damn. Damn, man. That's crazy, right?
Yeah. But it's the law.
It's the law. The law is the law. All right. We're gonna try again. We're not gonna give up this time. We're not giving up today, guys. No giving up. We're gonna keep trying until we get to that 10 inches. All right, guys, I didn't get to record while I was pulling this one in, but this one is about 8 inches, still around the same size. So this is a no keeper. It's going back in the water, guys. Darn it. Yo, tired of this, you know. I'm hungry, and we need to catch one so we can carry it home and eat. Yeah. No fish, no dinner, guys.
A catfish? The puffer ones? Oh wow. No.
Yes, guys, so today wasn't the day, you know, that I had planned, to be honest. Well, it was the day I had planned, but it didn't turn out the way I wanted it to be. So we're gonna head home now, find something to eat, and then I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Until next time, peace.